Hi, my name is Soham. I've been doing martial arts for 7 years.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie and I've been doing martial arts for 13 years.
I've been doing martial arts for 4 years.
8 years.
For 4 years.
I've been doing Taekwondo since I was 10.
I've done Taekwondo for 11 years and today I'm testing for my 3rd degree black belt.
And I started Taekwondo 21 years ago, and I'm coming back after an 8-year hiatus.
Today I'll be testing for my 1st degree black belt.
For my 2nd degree black belt.
I'm Angelina, I'm 14 and I'm testing for my 2nd degree black belt.
Our black belt testing is a 2-day exam with students that have been training with us for years. Many of these students I've known since they were as young as 4 years old, and some of them are even our instructors now. The first day of the exam includes a 3-hour physical test in which students are timed to see how many of a technique they can perform in a certain amount of time. The judges are our master instructors who are 5th and 6th Cookie 1 certified black belts. The point of the physical test is not just to make sure that the students are physically fit to earn a black belt, but in this test they push themselves past their limits and must maintain the perseverance and indomitable spirit to continue even when they are to the point of exhaustion. Black belt testing is one of my favorite events to be a part of at my school because it's a time to reflect on everyone's journey and where it's taken them. Everyone has a different story, different struggles and challenges they've had to endure to make it to this point. Many have had injuries, surgeries, doubts, kids, and just different life transitions, but they all have one thing in common, the indomitable spirit they have developed to make it here on the mat to test for their black belt today.
Run the 5K and everyone's getting ready and it's going to be so much fun.
Really?
No.
We have the AMYS van over here. Our black belt testers are all loading in. Mr. David's running in full uniform. I love it. How excited are you?
Not very, but okay.
Ready, get set, and go! Woo! Go guys, have fun! So this is the black belt 5K. All of our black belts have to run the 5K before they start completing the technical and the theory test. Okay, we'll go back over to the studio, have a black belt lunch, and then start on the second part of their exam. Woo! 22 minutes. Second place runner, Max. Woo! Go Roy! Woo! Nice work. Woo! After the 5K, everyone comes back to the studio for a group lunch to re-energize for the next section of the exam. In the next part, they are given a written test that goes over Taekwondo history, Korean terminology, and questions about Taekwondo and mental training.
Welcome to day 2 of black belt testing. Today we are doing our technical testing.